Dog owners. Does this sound like you? People always ask us who is Ecclesia for. Ecclesia is for the people who like to express their originality and stand out from the crowd. For those who are truly passionate and proud of their dogs. For those seeking a sense of belonging and a way to connect with others who share the same values. For the people who want to make a positive impact on the lives of dogs across the world. Even for those who want to express their genuine support for two young Irish lads on their mission to make the world a better place for dogs. Which one are you? Join the pack and celebrate our passion for dogs and be part of the Ecclesia community today.